Hi. Welcome to this 7th episode about the transformation of the Jimny to an offroader. It will be a summary and we will look back to the process. I've been to an off-road event today and everything worked out perfectly. But the car is a little dirty.
First, we start to look at some features that have been done since the previous episode. New automatic daytime running lights. They are switched off when the low beam is switched on. The full beam have been combined with the light bar. I must admit that the task to make this electrical works was too difficult for me. So I commissioned a professional firm to do the job, Kalles Bil Elektrisk AB. I really tried my best, but it was very difficult to find the right connections. But also the fact that the control current is on the negative side made it too complicated for me. I have had the possibility to test the car on several off-road meetings since the first one on the last year Boxing Day. Everything works out fine. But as I haven't done any modifications of the engine or the gear ratchet of the gearbox, neither have I installed any diff locks. I have realized that I cannot force the greatest obstacles, and it's better to use the winch than to tempt the clutch. Do you remember how it looked? Let's make a short resume. Other experiences I have done is that the alloy rims are very fragile. And it is nearly impossible to avoid that the wheels hit and scrape the wheel arch widener. The only solution is to make the arches bigger, that I saw Saf on YouTube do in a very good way. But it's a minor problem. Maybe something for the future. Here follows a quick look back at the process.
It's exciting.
To change wheels was a tricky business. First I bought two big wheels, Cooper Discovery 30 inches or 760mm. Not a good idea. Luckily I managed to sell them and I changed to Hancock Dynapro 28 inch or 710mm. I started with a thorough cleaning of the undercarriage and improved the rust protection. Next I dismantled bumpers and arch extensions, threshold and door panels. The panels and the hood were sent to the paintwork. Protective plates were then installed. Shock skid plates, front and rear diff guard, transfer box guard and fuel tank guard. Rock and tree sliders, no big problem, other than the front right attachment point came off and had to be welded. Marcus helped me with that. Initially I put the sliders upside down, but one guy on a Facebook forum pointed it out in the comment. Very clumsy of me, but kind of him. The rear bumper, a little tricky. Some small modifications on the frame to get space for toolbar and fittings. Camilla helped me with the mounting. I had to move the relay box on the winch, but then it fitted just in the bumper. I'm very pleased with the installation. To the front bumper it came a small bull bar, where it was convenient to mount the front camera and the light bar. To mount the coil springs and the shock absorbers was nothing but hard work. Except the frustration concerning the thick layer of paint on the studs that made it difficult to set the nuts. Now it's time to mount the Kutsnake wheel arch widener. I'm uncertain about the correct word for this. On the description it's named Fender flares. But I'm sure you know what I mean. A tricky moment was to get the rubber strip in position. Camilla helped me with that. It has also, here and there, been shown to come off sometimes. A little annoying. Spacers and tires were easy to get in place, but it was exciting to see for the first time how it worked out together with the new wheel arch widener. It turned out fine, but first I had to cut out on the rear of the front wheel arch widener to allow a full steering wheel angle. With new wheels and coil springs, the ground clearance have increased about 50 mm. Oh, what's this? A break from work?
This was supposed to be the last video about my project. But I have some more material I want to show you, so don't despair. I'll be back.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.